Hey guys, welcome back. So this is a brand new Acura that we just wrapped up on. There's a ton of content and footage on this one. Now this one is super specific job because the dealership actually coated this vehicle. I'll use that term really lightly. It had a ton of hologram swirls. All the trim was damaged on it. It was in terrible condition. So moving on from that, we went ahead and completely restored it. We took off the wheels, polished the wheels completely. Full front, got paint protection film, door cups, B pillars, A pillars, a ton of it got paint protection film. The entire front cap is completely wrapped up on. We also did our paint correction, 5-year coating on it, wheels, plastic, glass, interior, I mean everything on this vehicle, you name it. So we'll take you guys in on some video walk around and we'll see you guys soon.